Alright guys, we're out on the lake on the kayak again. And I'm a little late this season, but this year Minnesota has a year-round bass season. But it's catch and release from I believe March to May. So we're finally able to fish for bass during this time of the year. First year. So I'm a little bit late, but I've been doing some crappie fishing. Just enjoying the pan fishing. So today I'm gonna fish for bass. I'm gonna target some largemouth and see if we can catch some nice ones today. So it's pretty cool being able to fish, pre-spawn, going to spawn for largemouth. So let's see if we could hook into some nice ones today. Let's see if they're gonna be chomping today or not. Got some rain the other day, so the water's kind of stirred up and dirty. There's our first fish. First bass. How about that? Little guy, but we'll take it. No skunk. First one of the day, little guy. Got the skunk out of the boat. There's one. Little guy again. Come on. Another small one off the chatterbait. Say, is that even a fish? Built like a twig. Little guys. Oh, right there. Oh, he came back for it. That was so cool. That's a good one. Stay pin. Pretty cool bite. Hit it, missed him, and came right. I reeled it in and came right back and smashed the jerkbait. Beautiful bass. Another little one. I thought this was a fish. It fought like a fish. It's just a tree branch. That better not be a tree branch. What's this one yet? Finally a decent one. Jeez, about time. Right at the boat again. Come here. No, they're chomping. Bite. Came off. Back to back.